Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tim Queen and we are here live in Italy, and today I'm going to talk about how to stand out on LinkedIn in 2020. And the first thing that you need to stand out on LinkedIn to attract more business, to get your dream job, is you have to get a professional profile photo. And this is really important because, as they say, a picture says more than 1,000 words. And on LinkedIn, a picture will make or break your impression that others have, and people decide if they like you like this. And if you don't make a great impressions within like 1 to 3 seconds, you are out of the game. Someone will decide if they click onto your profile, if you're creating content, if they click through, if you show up in someone's search result, if they like you based on your small little picture like this. They will either click on you or they will scroll. So you have to make sure that you have a professional picture. And this is something you cannot fake. Don't ask your friends, unless this person is a paid, highly professional photographer, to take a picture of you. Get someone professional, someone who has a studio who can take some professional looking pictures. And not just get one picture, get 100 pictures and then upload them on this website over here. And you will see that people will vote for you. They will tell you how confident you look, how likable you look, and then you can use data to pick the most likely picture that has success for you on LinkedIn. Now that you have your professional picture, let's take care of the rest of your profile. Because you have to optimize your profile. It's a one-time shot. Someone sees you in the search results. Someone sees one piece of your content. You get their attention right there and then. Your profile picture makes that happen, that they actually click on your profile. Now it's time to convince them with your content on your LinkedIn profile that you are the right person for them. That means you have to optimize every aspect of your profile. You have to start at the top. You have to get a professional header image. You have to get a clever headline that tells people instantly who you are, who you're helping with, and why they should contact you. You have your description. You have this new featured section where you can upload some of your best content pieces to get people interested so they can explore more about you and learn more about you. You want to make sure that your work section is complete, that your education section is complete. You want to make sure that you added relevant skills to your LinkedIn profile, that you have recommendation, that you are liking and following specific companies, specific pages, that you are joining industry groups, that you add up all the different publications and qualifications. If you have appeared in the news, if you have been featured in a newspaper, you want to add this to your profile. And the more information you can share on your profile, the more likely it is that someone will click with one of the ideas. Now, if you want to learn more about how to optimize each and every aspect of your LinkedIn profile, you can check out the link over here for my LinkedIn profile optimization course. Now that we have optimized your profile picture and your LinkedIn profile, it's time to drive some traffic to your website. What you can do is you can create high quality premium content on the LinkedIn publishing platform. Share text posts, photos, videos, articles. Create interesting PDF documents, and you will see if you share relevant content for people who might become potential customers, something that's of value to a potential customer, you will see that the number of people who are visiting your LinkedIn profile will rise dramatically. Just look at this graph over here. When I started to create content, my profile visits have quickly rose up to 1,000 people within the last month. And you can get this too by sharing high quality premium content on your LinkedIn content page. You will see that a ton of people will come to your page. Now what you need to make this happen is you have to have the ability to create interesting quality content. If you want to learn more about this, I put a link over here to a course how to create LinkedIn content marketing successful in your company. Tip number 4, it's not enough to have a good content strategy. You also need conversion-focused copywriting skills. And that's something you can learn. And what I mean by that conversion-focused copywriting, you don't want to write random text. You want to focus with a clear goal in mind. For example, you want people to read one of your posts, and then an opinion should form in their head while they're reading it. And by the end of your text reading this, there should be a desire. They want to have a craving for something that you have told them about. And the only way to satisfy this craving is to follow your call to action. For example, going to your website, visiting your LinkedIn profile, downloading something, filling out a contact form. Now, this requires a certain skill level that you can learn. If you learn conversion-focused copywriting, you can really compress very complex ideas. You can convey a ton of value and then create this desire for more in one post alone. And then when people follow your call to action, you're collecting their contact information so you can follow up with them and can turn them into a paying customer. Now, tip number 5, and that's really important if you want to succeed on LinkedIn, is you can't do this once in a while. You have to have consistent content. You have to go out every day and post at least one piece of content. Now, the reason for that is that when you are focusing on building a really high profile network, not all of the people will be online on the same time. Some people only log into LinkedIn like 2 or 3 times per month, especially if they're in a position of power where they have a lot of things to take care of. They are not online all the time. So you have to make sure that whenever they are logging in, by coincidence, it's one of the days when you have created some content. So by posting content, one post per day, every single day, you will make it almost 100% likely that when the person is logging in, they will see something of your content. And that's how you win. You're creating consistent content. You have a content strategy. You're focusing on conversion-focused copywriting to drive traffic to your LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is optimized. Your profile picture is friendly and confident. And this is how you generate customers on LinkedIn. Now let me know in the comments below, what is your biggest question about LinkedIn content marketing and how to stand out on LinkedIn in 2020? Share your question below and I might make a video about it. Now, if you want to learn more about LinkedIn content creation, I put a video up over here where you can learn more about how you can implement a content marketing strategy on LinkedIn in 2020. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn and how to stand out and how to get more customers on LinkedIn, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.